Okay, today we're going to make some homemade tortilla chips, just using these yellow corn tortillas. I'm just going to use a baking pan here. I put some oven-safe parchment paper down, just ripping up the tortillas, placing them on the pan. Got the oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to take some of this organic olive oil spray and lightly spray. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put them in the oven. And I'm not putting any seasoning on them. Put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Let's see how we did. Come out nice and crispy. These are a lot less salty and a lot less fattening than the ones you can buy in the store. You can season them how you want. You can eat them with salsa. They're great. I hope you try this out. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.